Welcome back to Age Smart, the 50s to 70s Health Plan. Episode 2. Today, we're unlocking something powerful, the 10-year mobility blueprint that helps you stay strong, steady, pain-free, and independent, no matter your age. Because the truth is simple. If you want to age well, you must keep moving well. Let's get into it. Here's something most people don't realize. After age 50, we lose around 1% of muscle every year, and nearly 3% of strength yearly if we're inactive. That's the difference between climbing stairs easily and avoiding them completely. But this is the good news. You can slow this down dramatically, even reverse it, with the right type of movement. Movement isn't just exercise. It's medicine, it's independence, it's confidence, it's your future. To build lifelong mobility from your 50s through your 70s, you only need 3 pillars. Let's break them down. Strength is not bodybuilding. Strength is being able to stand up without using your hands, lift groceries, stabilize your joints, protect your bones, prevent falls. Just 10-12 minutes of simple strength work, 2 to 3 times a week, changes your entire aging path. Strength training keeps your muscles young, your bones strong, and your metabolism active. In your 50s and 60s, your balance quietly declines, but with training, you can rebuild it. Try single leg stands, hold a chair if needed, heel-to-toe walk, slow controlled steps. Just 3 minutes a day can cut fall risk almost in half. Mobility is what keeps your joints smooth, your back loose, and your walking fluid. Think gentle flows, ankle circles, hip openers, shoulder rolls, spinal twists. Do it daily, even while watching TV. Now let's personalize it. Here's what your body needs at each decade. In your 50s, build and protect, strength 3x week, balance 1 or 2 minutes day, mobility daily, add brisk walks or cycling. You're building the foundation that protects you later. In your 60s, maintain and improve. Strength 2-3x week, balance 2-4 minutes day, mobility daily, especially morning stiffness. Add 1 longer walk each week. You're maintaining strength and sharpening balance. In your 70s, stability and ease. Strength 2x week, balance 5 minutes day, mobility sessions morning and evening. Walk shorter but more often. This keeps you independent, confident, and safe. If you want a simple plan to start immediately, here's the Age Smart Weekly Formula. The Age Smart Weekly Plan. 2 strength days, 7 quick mobility sessions, 5 minutes daily balance, 3 and 5 walk days. If you follow just this, your 70-year-old self will thank you. Your movement is your medicine, your effort is your independence, and your consistency is your future. In Episode 3, we dive into something everybody over 50 needs, the smart nutrition habits that keep your weight steady, energy high, and blood sugar balanced. You don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching the Age Smart mini-series, only on the Agewell channel.